Hi, it's Beth Green from RE Solutions. This is such a great time of year to tackle all the clutter in your home and just make room for what really matters to you. Now, we've all been there. You open a closet, things fall out, the drawers are too full, you can't close them. I know, things accumulate, no judgment here, but it's easy to get overwhelmed. If you need some help or don't know where to start, let me know and I've got some great tips to share with you this month. If that is not the route you want to go and you need more help than that, let me know that too. I'll be glad to refer you to some great people in my network who can also help you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.